Do you know how to get the best solution of problems? Hello, guys. I am your host, Emma. I welcome all of you to my podcast. We will try to bring out the solutions of your language learning issues. By this, we are going to start the way of sorting the issues of grammar, vocabulary, idioms, phrases from simple to complex level.
Before we dive into the detail of the session, please do like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Exactly. Emma, together we can bring out the solutions of language learning issues.
Certainly, David. We will get the benefits of your huge experience and expertise of language teaching. I cordially welcome you to my podcast series.
I am extremely thankful to you, Emma, for giving me such an honor and inviting me in your podcast. I will try to give my best to share my English language knowledge with you.
Thanks, David, for sparing your good time with us. Let's start our session with this question how to learn English language.
Exactly, Emma. Thus, question must be taken at first priority. According to my experience of teaching English language, I have come to know that there are two ways to learn English. Number one, formal way of learning, and number two, informal way of learning language.
Extremely amazing. I have been listening formal and informal for a long time, but still I cannot understand the difference between formal and informal way of learning language. Can you please explain both of these terms for students of English language?
Certainly, Emma. Very simply, the term formal means learning or getting any information through academic process. It means through schools, colleges, universities, institutions, and academies. Whereas informal learning is learning that happens naturally in everyday life, without being in a structured classroom. We can also say gaining knowledge or skills through daily experiences, conversations, observation, practice, or personal interest.
Brilliant, David. You cleared my confusion of formal and informal. My another important question is for students, that some teachers say be a natural in English, like native English speakers, and others say be perfect in English. What is this?
Emma, I would just simply say that this is a business game, which is played with students, because a new student doesn't know what to do, where to start learning English, so they are trapped easily for business purpose. Now, get this point very simply. Informal way of learning is a natural way of learning language. On the other hand, learning language through academies makes students perfect in English speaking and writing. Students must focus on learning whether formally or informally which is their target.
Exactly, David. So what do you suggest then?
I would suggest them work on both of these methods at the same time, and it's pretty easy. If you want to be natural like native English speakers, follow these methods. Watching English movies and TV shows, listening to English podcasts, reading stories, blogs, or news articles, talking with native speakers or friends, learning new words from social media, using apps like ChatGPT or language learning apps, playing games in English, traveling and communicating with people. And if you want to be perfect in English, then follow these steps. Join a good institute of English language, learn English grammar, learn vocabulary in context, read every day at least for 30 minutes, write every day at least for 30 minutes, review your progress on a daily basis, get feedback.
These are really brilliant suggestions. If any follows these methods, he will surely get good command at English language.
Thanks, Emma. It is your goodness.
Thanks for joining us. And if today's episode helped you, subscribe, share it with friends, and leave a comment with topics you'd like us to cover in the next episode. Until next time, keep practicing English every day.
Take care, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.